To pronounce the sound kaf and qaf, the tongue should hit the palate of the mouth. It is important to note that there is the hard palate, that is hard when you touch it, and the soft palate, that is soft to the touch. Hard palate, soft palate. Kaf is pronounced as the English letter K, and for qaf, the sound is harder than kaf, and the tongue touches the soft part of the palate, deep in the mouth. Qa, ka, qa, ka, qa. كلم, قلم. قلب, كلب. حق, حك. شوق, شوك. قال, كال. نهك, نهق.